What the? What happened to my phone screen? Shh. How'd that happen?
You wanna play football?
Yeah, man, let's go.
Alright, let me get my ball. My tire, it's flat.
It's flat.
Yeah, are yours?
No, mine are good.
Did you just hear that? What? You didn't hear that?
My
Alright.
tires are fine.
Alright, just forget it. Let's just go play. Alright.
Where are the fields from here?
About like 5 minutes, I think. Not that bad.
Oh, like a lizard. Why would you step on that lizard?
Why not? It's just a lizard. It's not that big of a deal.
What did it do to us?
Who cares? It's a lizard. Jeez.
Alright, I guess. Ah, feels good.
Yeah, man.
I need football.
It's nice. Where'd you get it from?
Sports book.
Get it together, man. What are you doing?
Sorry, just that though.
God. How'd you like if I just... Like, I mean, yeah, now you know how I feel.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Stay down there.
Alright,
Stay down
what
there.
are you so pissed at?
You throw the ball over.
Dude, where are you going?
Going back to my house. Leave me alone.
What the hell happened to you, man? You've changed.
No, I haven't.
Son, I just got a call back from the doctor about your checkup last week. He has some bad news and I don't know if you're gonna like it. He gave it to me slowly, but still, this is how the same way I'm gonna give it to you. I don't know how to break it to you. My dad also had it. Son, you have cancer.